we are coming up with a stronger display of new and innovative products on future food and cutting-edge trends through our Flavor Find special setting inside. Please visit. In this setting, we will showcase Fast Catch. So FAST stands for functional, authentic, sustainable, and twist food. We will see there a collection of food products that embody those elements that I have mentioned. There is also one called Regional Flex, where food products distinct to specific regions in the Philippines can be found. Thank you to our regional and provincial offices and to the Department of Agriculture for partnering with us in that specific component. This year, we are also integrating into the show Sustainability Solutions Exchange, or SSX. Under this program, we espouse our support for enterprises and communities, doing their share to create towards a healthy planet.